So we're checking out this CUSIMAX Double Burner today. A brand sent me this to make the video on. We don't have any electric electric pot cookers here. You can see this one does have the double knobs. We're going to check that out later, but I like that. So let's go ahead and unbox it, check it out, and try it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Minus the stickers that I just took off of it. And the way this is going to work is through induction. And there's a big warning label on here letting you know that it is normal for this thing to smoke for the first couple times they're going to be using it because of the protective layer that's on here. So to stop it from smoking, it wants you to turn this on as high as you can go for 3 to 5 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. And we are going to see, how much it smokes and stuff like that. But it says that's the only time you need to turn this on without cookware on it because it is going to be induction heating. So it needs something to transfer that heat onto. If it doesn't have anything to transfer the heat onto, it's going to get hotter than it should. So I'm going to plug it in. We'll be back. Okay, so you can see I have gone it for about 4 minutes now. It actually didn't smoke. I can smell it a little bit, but it didn't smoke. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to turn this off for a minute. I'm going to set up a time lapse of me getting some water straight out of the sink. Putting this pot on there. We're going to see how long it takes to boil. Just because I'm curious. So I'm going to set this up with a time lapse now. Okay, that took about 6 minutes. I was able to get my muffins out of the oven, as you saw in the background. But it's boiling 6 minutes later. That's not too bad. 6 minutes isn't too bad to wait to boil for something that you can bring with you camping. It's very mobile. Or if you don't have a lot of counter space, perfect for that. Like I said, both knobs are adjustable. It's going to have the red light letting you know it's on. Turns it off whenever it's off. And it's very compact. You can pack it up, throw it under the sink or something like that when you're not using it. No problem. I'm very happy with this. I have no complaints. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.